Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Text. So in this video, we are going to see how to insert a picture in our Word document, how to add a picture in our Word document. So for that, first of all, we need to go to the Word document, open this, and then I need to go to open this blank document. And here I need to upload a one image. So for that, first of all, I need to go to insert and then go to the pictures. From here, again, I go to the downloads. My picture is here. Simply open this picture, and here you can see the picture is here added in my Word document. So I can increase or decrease the size by simply drag and drop, and by simply scrolling this I can decrease or increases the size of that image. And if I want to add it into the center, simply I need to check the position from here, layout position, and then I can move it anywhere if I want. Simply by using this insert and then the picture, you can easily add and insert any picture in your Word document. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.